Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from YourSafe to a bank account. First of all, open your YourSafe website on your phone, or you can open the app, or you can open the dashboard on your web browser. Once the YourSafe account has been opened, you have to sign in with your account, and then you have to click on transfer money on the top. From here, you'll see a bunch of options. For example, you can transfer YourSafe between YourSafe accounts, SEPA transfer, international wire transfer, ACH transfer, and US check. So you can select any of the options. So I will select international wire transfer. From here, I have to type in the name of my bank account or my name that is registered with my bank account. An account number, can enter the IBAN number, your address information, your SWIFT code, your city, town, zip, postal code, and each and everything. And then you have to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. For example, you can transfer in euro, USD, and British pound. So you have to enter in the amount, and after that, all you have to do is click on confirm. And after that, you have successfully transferred your money from YourSafe account to a bank account. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.